So deploying Ansible Playbooks to GitHub sounds fancy, right? But trust me, it's all about keeping things organized. Imagine trying to manage playbooks without GitHub. Chaos, pure chaos. Version control means no accidental overwrites. Automation ensures fewer headaches, and CI/CD integration. That's just the cherry on top. Let's dive in. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Welcome to the dynamic duo, Ansible and GitHub. Think of Ansible as your efficient assistant, running tasks so you don't have to. And GitHub, it's like a giant organized notebook where all your playbooks live. Keep them safe, versioned, and accessible from anywhere. Pretty neat, right? Setting up a GitHub repo is like naming a pet. You want something cool but practical. A good name helps your future self avoid confusion. Adding a README, that's just being polite to your collaborators. And don't forget permissions, unless you love surprise contributions from internet strangers. Installing Ansible is like getting a new tool for your toolkit. Simple requirements, easy installation, and a quick check to ensure it's ready to roll. A little configuration and voila! You're set to automate tasks like a pro. Writing a playbook is like crafting a recipe, precise, structured, and made to deliver predictable results. YAML makes it readable, host definitions direct the action, and a quick syntax check prevents kitchen fires. Run it, sit back, and watch automation work its magic. Think of structuring playbook files like organizing your wardrobe, everything in its place for easy access. Roles help modularity, variables improve flexibility, and YAML linting ensures your playbooks don't collapse under avoidable errors. Smart, right? Initializing Git is your playbook's first step to immortality. A simple git init marks the beginning. Git ignore keeps the clutter out, and proper tracking ensures you don't lose control. It's like setting up the foundation of a masterpiece. Adding files to Git is like packing for a trip. Make sure you've got all the essentials before moving forward. Git staging helps you double-check. Git status confirms you're on the right track, and proper documentation ensures smooth sailing later. Commit messages are like journal entries. Make them meaningful. It helps future you and everyone else understand what changed and why. A well-tracked history ensures easy debugging, and once you push to GitHub, boom, your changes are live. All right, folks, first things first, getting our playbooks onto GitHub. Think of this as sending your masterpiece into the world. We start by ensuring everything is neat and tidy, then initialize our repository. A few git commands later, boom, it's live. And of course, we always double check, because nothing says professional like avoiding the oops, wrong file moment. Now let's talk automation. GitHub Actions can be your best friend, taking care of tedious tasks while you sip your coffee. We set up workflows, define triggers, and let GitHub do the heavy lifting. Testing is key, unless you enjoy mysterious errors at midnight. So refine and let it run like a well-oiled machine. Secrets, not the gossip kind, but the ones that keep our deployments safe. Exposing credentials is a disaster waiting to happen. We tuck them away in GitHub secrets, reference them securely, and double-check security measures, because nothing ruins a day like leaked credentials. Time to make magic happen. Running playbooks directly from GitHub. We configure runners, fire up the execution, and keep an eye on logs like a detective solving a mystery. Any errors? No problem, we debug like pros and keep things running smoothly. Monitoring is where the real fun begins. Watching workflows run and catching issues before they snowball. Alerts are lifesavers. Patterns help optimize execution, and fixes ensure reliability. Stay sharp, and your playbook will never let you down. Let's be honest, things break. When they do, we troubleshoot like detectives. Identify the error, read logs like a book, fix the issue, and most importantly, document everything. Because trust me, future you will thank present you for that detailed note. Wrapping up with some wisdom, keep your playbooks version controlled, workflows up to date, security top-notch, and monitoring consistent. Follow these best practices, and you'll have a smooth, well-managed automation process. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.